From time to time, you may actually find that you need an extra row or an extra column within a sheet because you've either underestimated or you've discovered, whoops, it would be nice if I added one more element within this particular sheet. So what you can do, and I do want to come back to this one area, which is called Select All. When you select all, you select the entire document. But what's interesting about this is we're going to use this, and I'm going to call it the origin, because when you insert a row, it always works towards the origin. And whenever you insert a column, it always works towards the origin, which means that normally when you just simply insert something, it automatically inserts towards the origin. Now we can insert away from the origin as well, but we have to choose that option. When you just simply choose a default insert, it automatically inserts towards it. So I'm going to prove that. I'm going to click on C, so I select the entire column, and you'll notice there is nothing between the names and also the hours, but I'd like to insert one, so I'm going to right click, and you'll see insert, and when I click insert, it automatically gives me a brand new, and we'll see this more clearly if I widen that a little bit. So now we can see that C actually is empty. It didn't actually move everything. All it did was put a brand new column in, but it moved it towards that origin. So let me just back up one. And what if I wanted to do, let's say I wanted something between name and, of course, the first name. So if I select 3, then it should put a new row between 2 and 3. This is because it's moving towards the origin. So if I again right click and I insert, it will automatically create a brand new row. So let me back up. Now if I wanted to put in a new row, because I've selected one, then I can come over here on the Home tab to Cells, use the Insert drop down, and you'll see it says Insert a new sheet row. So if I click on Insert a sheet row, it automatically puts another one in, again towards the origin. And the same is true if I had chosen, let's say, a column. So let me choose this column, and I want to put one between E and F. So in other words, overtime and hours, the hourly rate. So insert again, and once again it's telling me I can put in a sheet column, and it appears between the two. So just keep in mind that when you insert a brand new column or a brand new row or even a cell, it will always work towards this one specific area called the origin, or in this case, select all. Now, delete is the same thing. If I chose to delete a particular row or a column, well, C is an empty column. It has nothing in it. Let me just prove that. There you go, it's empty. So if I wanted to delete this, all I have to do is either click on delete, use the drop down delete sheet column, or right click on it and choose delete, and that will remove it right away. So hopefully that helps a little bit with inserting and deleting rows and columns.